Hello everybody, today I tell you how to install Laravel 12 with Herd. Okay, so first of all you need to go to Laravel and looking for Herd. Okay, let me install Laravel Herd first. Okay, click on it. I go to download for Windows. This one for Windows, it will automatic download. If not, you just click here. Okay, it start to download now. Let's wait for it. Then we go to Laravel. Okay, we go to get start. I think we no need go to Laravel, because in Laravel Herd we can install it directly from Laravel Herd. Okay, wait for downloading. After download complete, I will continue. Here we have document about Laravel Herd also here. But in this video I not tell you how to install by command like this. I just install directly from Herd. Okay, click pattern. I'm installing. Please wait for it. Wait for it because my internet not too fast. It's little bit slow. Okay, after install complete, after download complete, I open it. Wait for installing. For Laravel Herd, it will install PHP Composer together. You can read the document here. Okay, so Laravel Herd it shipped with PHP, Server and Node.js. Also, it can integrate with Laravel Form and use single tool for setting up locally. Herd Pro. Sorry, I just start with basic Herd. Here we can check Herd version, PHP version, Laravel version, Composer version and Node version. Okay, let's start. Finish it. Here all document inside here, but I not specific on all of document here. I just run it normally. Okay, after install finish, I just open it. Just open it. Get start. It will download PHP 8.4. And then wait. Keep it running until complete. Okay, it download Node.js. Complete. Okay, for now I don't have Herd Pro, so I just skip it. Okay, open Herd, or you can create project here. So I open it first. Alright, right now Server and PHP 8.4 already running. So I go to dashboard and open site, and then I add site, new Laravel project, and click next. No starter kit. Which one, what you want? For example, if you want to start your Laravel with React.js for single web page, or Vue.js or Livewire, or whatever you want. So I just know this one. I just install basic of Laravel. Click next. I type project name Laravel 12. Here the cd here the folder directory to install. Just click that. It will automatically add project for me. Please wait for it. It is installing. Wait for it. Let it running. Okay, migrate complete. It install PHP, has PHP also. Write log file. Okay, install dependency. Alright, it's okay already. So after we install already, our PHP will run automatically. We can open. Okay, this is the interface of Laravel 12 for default web page here. So that's all. This is the Laravel 12, and let me close it. And so preview. You see in Laravel Herd, it also have a HTTPS for security. And here the alias of domain, you can type here, or you can go to localhost Laravel Herd 8. Okay, don't have. Doesn't matter. This is the easy way for the development. Also, we can, when we have projects, for example, we have multi-project, it will list here. We can open terminal here, or open PHP Storm, or Syncer, Admiser. Admiser is the tool to customize our database. Let me open for you. Here, Actualize. It can connect with my Actualize 3, 2, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL, MongoDB, and this one Elasticsearch. So I just log in. Here you can see all your database in here. You can create view or create database here, whatever you want. That's all. I think that's all for this video. So you can go back here. You can open. You can check out all the service you have here. For example, here we have multi PHP. If, for example, if you want to test with PHP 7.4, you can install here. It is very easy. Here the PHP setup is here. Make upload file size to MB. You can customize to 20 or whatever you want. This is in MB. It is very easy for developer now who like Laravel, because Laravel now have so many tools to support it. I hope that you can understand. For the next video, I will tell you how to link existing Laravel. For example, you already have Laravel and you want to link your Laravel to the Herd. That easy to see the detail, to optimize and see the debug here. Okay, thank you.